In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add an Instagram Reel to your Klaviyo email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video Email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your Klaviyo emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can create a video email, just like this example, featuring your Instagram Reel. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to create a new email campaign in Klaviyo, adding all the usual details. We now select our template. Next, we drag a HTML block into position within the template where we wish our reel to be featured. Finally, we delete the line of code in the HTML pane. We are now ready to select our Instagram Reel. Okay, so let's grab your reel from Instagram. You'll need to do this on your mobile. Step 1 is to locate the reel you wish to add to your email. To download this, tap the share icon in the bottom of the screen. From the options, select Download. You now have a copy of your reel in your camera roll. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our video. We now upload our reel from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting the reel from our folders. We now enter the width of our video. This is 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our reel will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes, depending on the size of the video file. We have now successfully uploaded our reel. We now choose how we are going to use the reel, selecting the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of this page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our reel to our template. We return to our Klaviyo campaign. We paste the HTML snippet into the HTML code pane. Our reel is now in position within our template. We proceed to preview our email to see how the reel will play in our template on desktop and mobile. Finally, we proceed to edit our campaign and prepare for sending in the normal way. Thanks for watching. To get started for free, check out the details of the Viewed Email platform free trial by scanning the QR code or visiting the link shown here.